To watch more videos and support our channel, Dalit Poetry and Literature, please subscribe.
Geetabai Gaikwad, deceased. Geetabai also was a valuable companion to Dadasaheb Gaikwad in his social activity. She was his second wife. Geetabai was born in 1913 and was about 15 when she married Dadasaheb. Like her sisters, she did not neglect her schooling and managed to complete her final school examination. Geetabai was married to Dadasaheb Gaikwad in 1928. She had heard about the Mahar Satyagraha, which took place a year before she was married. Since then, she was motivated to take part in the Ambedkar movement. After her marriage, she was always with Dada Saheb's co-activists. Of course, having after done her household duties. Like her other sisters-in-law, Geetabai too was expected, according to the custom of the time, to grind grain on a stone mill, make bhakris, do the cooking, wash the clothes and pots, and clean the house. Most of the women had blisters on their palms from all the work. Geetabai too had such blisters, but her hands also held a pen and books. She was also an accomplished speaker. A conference for women's education and social issues was held in Nagpur, presided over by Ramabai Tambe, director of Women's College. A resolution on untouchability was moved at this meeting, and Geetabai spoke for the motion in a forthright manner. Before this conference, Geetabai had taken part in the Kala Ram Satyagraha of 1930. Dadasaheb had been arrested and imprisoned for defying the ban on temple entry, breaking the police cordon, and pushing ahead. It was announced that whoever broke the rule after this would also be imprisoned. Geetabai, together with her sisters and sisters in law, was among the large numbers of women who defied this threat and were jailed. Geetabai was in prison for a month and a half. In 1938, Geetabai was elected unopposed in the election for the Nashik School Board. Dadasaheb had to exert considerable effort to achieve this. From 1947 onwards, Geetabai worked as superintendent of the Ramabai boarding house, established that same year. The hostel had only 12 girls to begin with. This charge was a considerable responsibility, and so Geetabai could not take part in the Satyagraha of the landless in 1947, although she had been jailed in the 1946 Satyagraha on the Pune Pact. For many years, Geetabai was a member of Nashik School Board and also of the Nashik municipality. She was chairperson of the school committee. After Dada Saheb's death, Geetabai ran several institutions, looked after court cases and other day-to-day problems of the people. She was a member of the Civil Hospital Committee and also an honorary justice of the peace. She handled these duties very ably. Geetabai's fundamentally simple and straightforward personality developed many facets as she worked with Dada Saheb. Later, she earned people's respect because of her persistent and capable approach to social work. When she called for anyone, she would be answered with a respectful G. Dada Saheb once teased her about this. In future, I am going to address you as GG because everyone shows you respect by saying G. Besides, your name when written in English has the initials G, G. From that day onwards, everybody, from the girls in the hostel to political activists and even Dada Saheb's friend, always addressed Geetabai as Gigi. Anyone visiting the Ramabai students' hostels, even today, will be struck by the greatness of Geetabai's achievements. The first satyagraha of the landless took place in 1958-59. Bhau Rao or Dada Saheb Gaikwad and B.S. More were sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 4 months. Geetabai went to visit them in Paithan jail, where they were lodged. She took some roasted peanuts along for the men, but when she was asked to spill them out in front of the magistrate, it turned out that there were messages concealed among the nuts. So she was detained by the police and harassed for a considerable time. When a site for the Ramabai hostel was acquired in 1958, Geetabai Gaikwad and Shantabai Dani were of great help when the work on the building commenced. Geetabai Gaikwad passed away on 20th June 1986, while she was still involved with the various projects she had set in motion after Dada Saheb's death.